So, welcome student. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to teach LCM and HCF. So, am I audible? Please comment down below. So, what is LCM? In mathematics, LCM and HCF are very important concepts that, that is used in daily calculations, fractions, time problems, grouping, division, and many competitive exams. Okay, so LCM means least common multiple, and you can see here least common multiple. LCM means least common multiple. And what is HCF? HCF means highest common. Okay. So, what is the use of LCM and HCF? LCM and HCF help us understand how numbers are related. How numbers are related. Which number come together and which number divide other number exactly. Okay, factors and multiples. Factor. What is factor? A factor is a number that divides another number exactly. A factor is a number that divides another number exactly. Example factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Like if we multiply it, sorry, divide it by 2, we'll get 6. And after that we will divide it with 2, then we will get 3. So factors of 12 are, you can say 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, okay, 4, 6, and 12. Because 12 is divided by 1, 12 is divided by 2, 12 is divided by 3. Similarly, we are getting 4, 6, and 12. They are also divided by 12. So factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Multiples. Now we will learn what is multiples. Multiples are numbers we get by multiplying. Multiples are numbers we get by multiplying. Example multiples of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, so on, so on, so on, so on. Okay. So we are getting unlimited number. So multiple of 4 will be unlimited, but specific. Okay. So 4 multiply with 1, then we will get 4. 4 multiplied by 2 will get 8. 4 multiplied by 3, then we will get 12. And so on, so on. Okay. So multiples of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24. Now we are moving to the HCF, that is highest common factor. Highest common factor. So what is the definition of HCF? The largest number that divides two or more numbers exactly is called the HCF. Largest number that divides two or more numbers exactly is called HCF. It is also called GCD. It is greatest common divisor. Find the HCF of 12 and 18. Okay. So write the factors of 12. Factors of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Similarly, write down the factors of 18, that is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. So find common factors. Will in step 2 we will find common factors. So common factors will be I'm showing you 1 and 1. Factors of 12 is 1 and factors of 18 is also 1. So they are common. And factors of 12 is 2 and factors of 18 is also 2. So they are common. Okay. And like this 2 is also common. Like this 6 is also common. So we are getting 1, 2, 3, and 6. So common factors are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Choose the greatest one. So choose the greatest one. So greatest is 6. Okay. So HCF of 12 and 18 is 6. So guys, student, sorry, student, we learned about HCF and LCM. HCF is also called GCD, which is greatest common divisor. Prime factorization method for HCF. Let's see an example. Find HCF of 12 and 6. So 12 factors with 12 will be, if we factorize 12, we will get 12 is divided by 2, so we will get 12, and then we will divide 12 by 2, then we will get 6, and so on, so on. If we divide 6, if we divide 6 by 2, then we will get 6. So factor of 12, 24 will be, sorry, 24 will be 2, 2, 2, and 3. That is 2, 2, 2, and 3. Okay, these these are factors of 12. And similarly, we are going to find out factors of 36. Okay, so 36, if we factorize 36, so if we divide it with 2, then we will get 18. And if we divide it with 2, then we'll get 9. Then if we divide it with 3, then we'll get 3. So the factors of 36 are 2, 2, 3, and 3, which are mentioned here. Okay. So we are going to find the common factors of 24 and 36. So 2, we are getting 2 as common, 2, again 2, and again 3. So common prime factors will be 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 3. So 2, 2 and 3. So the final answer will be 12. So HCF of 12, HCF is HCF of 12, sorry, 24 and 36 is 2. So we learned prime factorization method for HCF. And similarly, we are going to find out LCM of some number. So first, learn the definition of LCM. LCM. What is LCM? The smallest common multiple of two or more numbers is called LCM. The smallest common multiple of two or more numbers is called LCM. So let's see an example. Find the LCM of 4 and 6. So in step 1, we are going to write down the multiples of 4 and multiples of 6. So multiples of 4 will be 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and so on so on. Okay. And multiples of 6 will be 6, 12, 18, 24, and so on so on. Okay. So in step 2, we are going to find out the smallest common multiple. Common multiple equals to, so the smallest common multiple will be 12. I'm showing you. Here 4. Multiples of 4 is 4. But here multiples of 6 is 3. So we are not getting 4 as common. And similarly we are not getting 6 as common here. So 4, we are getting 4 here. But in here this multiples of 6. So there is no 4. Okay. And similarly here is no 6. So 8 multiples of 4 is 8, but multiples of 6 is not, there is no 8 here. So we are getting this 12 is common. Uh, so smallest common multiple will be 12. Okay. So smallest common multiple will be 12. Now, so LCM of 4 and 6 will be 12. We can do this like this also. If we multiply it, sorry, divide it with 2, but it should be divide both the numbers. Okay, so 4 is divided by 2, then we will get 2, and 6 is divided by 2, then we will get 3. So now we cannot divide more, because both these two numbers should be divided by some number. So by number, but uh, there is no, you cannot find any number which is divided by we can divide these two number simultaneously. So so the so least common multiple will be 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied with 3. So LCM of 4 and 6 will be 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. That is 4 into 3. That is 12. So we can also find LCM of 4 and 6 by this method. Okay. I hope you understand, students. Now we are moving to another example. Prime factorization method. Method for LCM. Find LCM of 12 and 18. So factorization of 12. Factorization of 12 will be, if we divide 12 by 2, then we are getting 6. And if we divide it by 2, then we are getting 3. So factors of 12 is, sorry, not factors of 12 are 2, 2 and 3. 2, 2 and 3. 2, 2 and 3. Here it is also written 2, 2 and 3. Okay. So similarly we will factorize 18. Factorize, we will divide 18 by 2. We will get 9. Uh, Again we are going to divide 9 by 3. So we are getting 3. So factors of 18 will be 2, 3 and 3. We are taking here it also 2, 3 and 3. Okay. So we will take highest power. Highest power, that is, I am going to show you how to take the highest powers. Okay. So we will take 2. Okay. 2 are common. So 2 will be taken once as 2 are common. So 2 will take 2. We will take 2 at once, and then we will take 3 because 3 are common. So 3, and here we are getting 2, and here we are getting 3. So we will take 2 at once and 3. Okay. So if we multiply this number, then we will get the highest power. So 3, 2, 6, 6 into 3 equals to 18, and 18 into 2 equals to 56. So we are getting 56 as highest power. Okay. So we can say LCM of 12 and 18. LCM of 12 and 18 is 6. So we have learned about HCF and LCM. Now we are going to learn about the difference between HCF and LCM. HCF means greatest common divisor. We can say HCF as GCD. So greatest common divisor is also called HCF. And LCM is smallest common multiple. Smallest common multiple. Okay. So HCF is used in division or grouping, and LCM is used in repetition or time problem. So hot, some can see some shortcut formula uh, which are uh, which are asked in competitive exam, usually asked in competitive exam. Okay, so for two numbers, HCF into LCM equals product of the number. This is very important formula for any competitive exam. Example. Let's let's take an example for 12 and 18. HCF is 6. 12 and 18. HCF is 6. LCM is 13. 56. 56. And then if we multiply HCF with LCM, then we are getting 216. Means 216. So we can also derive this by product of these two numbers. That is also 216. So we can say HCF into LCM equals product of the numbers. Real life uses of LCM and HCF. So we are going to learn about HCF, about the uses of HCF and LCM. So uses of HCF: dividing things into equal groups, arranging objects equally, simplifying fraction. These are the uses of HCF. Okay, let's take an example. If 24 chocolates and 36 candies are to be packed equally, 24 chocolates and 36 candies are to be packed equally. Largest number of packets possible. Largest number of packets possible equals to a set of 26, sorry, 24 and 56. So we are getting 12 as answer. So if if uh, if 24 chocolates and 36 candies are to be packed equally, if we take the largest number of packets possible, that is HCF of 24 and 36, then we will get the right answer, that is 12. Okay. And uses of LCM. What are the uses of LCM? Time and scheduling problem, repeating events, traffic lights, bells, alarms. Okay. So let's take an example. Two bells ring every 6 and 8 minutes. Two bells ring every 6 and 8 minutes. They ring together after again after. Okay. They ring together after. So how many minutes, sorry, how much minutes it will ring together again after. So if we simply take LCM of LCM of if we take simply the LCM of 6 and 8, then we are getting 24 as answer. That is 24 minutes. So they ring together again after 24 minutes. Two bells ring every 6 and 8 minutes. If two bells ring every 6 and 8 minutes, they ring together how much minutes after how much minutes? Okay, so if we take LCM of 6 and 8, we'll get 24 minutes. So they these two bells will ring together after 24 minutes. So we learned about we have learned about uses of HCM and uses of LCM. Okay. So here here is some important tips. Trick for HCF, take only the common factor. Trick for LCM, take all factors with highest power. So here are some problems. Here are some problems. Problem number one, find HCF of 20 and 50. Factors of 20, that is 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. You can show it here. If we divide it by 2, then we get 10. If we divide it 2, then we'll get 5. So 20 factors of 20 are factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Okay. Similarly, we'll find out factors of 30. That is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. So we'll now find out the common factors. Common factors is 1, 2, 5, 10, and these are common factors 1, 2, 5, and 10. Okay. So greatest, we will now find the greatest among these numbers. Among these numbers. Okay. So the greatest number is 10. So answer HCF is 10. HCF of 20 and 30 is 10. Problem number 2. LCM. Find LCM of 8 and 12. So we will find the factors of 8, 2, 2, and 2. And factors of 12 is 2, 2, and 3. So LCM is, we will take the highest first. Take the factors with highest power. We'll take the factors with highest power. That is 2 is common. Here 2 is common. Here also 2 is common. So 2 will take 2 and 2 because I'm showing you. Okay, 2 is common. Okay, so we'll take 2, 1. 2 is common. So we'll take again 2, and now we'll take 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So we are getting 24. So LCM of 8 and 12 will be 24. Okay. So we have also learned how to find out HCF and LCM very easily. So I'm uh, I'm giving you these problems, HCF and LCM. Let's find out this and this. Take a screenshot of this portion. Take a screenshot of this portion. Okay, and try to solve it in your notebook. Here are also some problems. What problems? Try to solve it in your notebook. Take screenshot. What problem? Take screenshot. Problem 1 and problem 2, and try to find out, or you can also check how they are solving these problems. Okay. So thank you. If you have any doubt, comment down and make sure to subscribe this channel so that you can get notification whenever uh, I go to live, or um, I go to stream. So thank you so much for watching this video, students. I will upload more videos, and I will clear all the tricks that is that are going to make you better than anyone. So you can also comment down which chapter should I take in the next video. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Good night.